Amazon Rainforest by Kenneth Robinson. The Amazon rainforest is a terrestrial ecosystem and is located in South America and Brazil. The rainfall sunlight temperature. The yearly temperature is 72 degrees to 93 degrees Fahrenheit. The sunlight is 12 hours in the Amazon rainforest. Usually the canopy gets the 12 hours of sunlight. The average rainfall is 80 inches a year, but some places can get 40 to 30 inches. The main water source in the Amazon rainforest is the Amazon River. There is no salt in the Amazon River. Soil. The Amazon rainforest soil is very poor in nutrients and very sandy soils and a lot of clay. Biotic things in the Amazon rainforest. 1. A frog. 2. The Amazon rainforest dolphin. 3. A jaguar. Abiotic things in the Amazon rainforest. Humidity, air, soil, rocks. Interesting facts about the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon river dolphin is the only freshwater river dolphin. The Amazon basin is 40% of South America. The rivers in the Amazon rainforest are 4,100 miles.